Well, there are various ways in which you can make a palak ki sabzi. You can puree it, you can chop it, you can shred it, you can just go all out and use palak in varying ways. Today's sabzi is restaurant style besan palak ki sabzi. Well, you can also use butter and ghee and things like that and go all out. But I'm literally keeping the recipe lighter because besan kind of gets heavy on the body. And that's why I'm also tempering this recipe with not cumin or not mustard, but Ajwain or Carom seeds. So, oil. Carom seeds. And once that kind of heats up, let's add in chopped red onions. Once the onions just kind of begin to turn golden brown in color, time to add in gram flour. It's extremely important to roast the besan as well with the onions. All of this gets wonderfully bhunaud or roasted together, and that's the essence of this recipe. And while this is happening, I'm also going to add in the ginger, garlic and green chilies crushed. You see the oil from gram flour has also released wonderfully well, and this will additionally help us in roasting the flour. Time to add in some spices. Let's begin with turmeric, red chilli powder, Garam Masala, and roasted and crushed coriander seeds. Well, at this point in time, it's also important to note that salt needs to be added only and only keeping the gram flour or the besan in mind, because spinach essentially also has natural salts. Time to add in sliced tomatoes. Let's give all of this a quick stir and then the rest of the ingredients. Add little water at a time because you do not want the gram flour to again start clumping. You literally build this up by adding a little water at a time. You see, from the dry besan, it moistened with the oil and now is slowly gathering some mass and becoming like a thick gravy. Do not leave it at this stage. You may need to add in a cupful of more water so that gram flour eventually cooks perfectly well. The thickness at this stage should be like that of a kadhi that you generally make at home. Time to add in fresh green peas. Well, if not available, frozen should be your best friend. Time to now add in cleaned, washed and roughly shredded spinach leaves. All of this at this point in time seems to be a little bit too much, but trust me, it'll all be perfect. Do not cover this sabzi at this point in time because the palak will oxidize or turn black. Well, now this on slow flame will take at least 7 to 8 minutes to simmer beautifully, and that eventually will ensure that the sabzi cooks to the doneness, the texture, the consistency as you desire. That goes wonderfully well with a chapati, and the palak also eventually cooks. Check for salt, and that's the most amazing sabzi that you'll ever make at home. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.